Hello everyone, I'm going to demonstrate to you how to cut a hind shin on bone on the bandsaw. Same thickness, I usually cut it the same thickness how I cut my steaks. It's totally up to you whatever thickness that you want. Now I'm squaring it up. All you're doing, cutting it up into shin on bone slices. You just have to be careful while you're cutting hind shin on the bone. That two big bones that you can see on the bandsaw, you cannot sell it for shin on bone. That can be really good for stock food. That's a demonstration, everyone. Thank you.